Hey guys, are you a Windows user? Your Windows is running slow? This video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you some cool settings which will boost your Windows performance. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, let us start with cleaning the disk. Open up a file manager by pressing Windows plus E and then right click on local disk C. Next click on properties and go to disk cleanup. It will pop up a window. Here click on clean up system files. And then it shows system files and previous installation data. So here check in all boxes. It also have the previous Windows installation data. It will help you to roll back to the previous versions. I am selecting this one too, I don't need it. Now click on OK. This will start cleaning the disk. It is saying that deleting the previous Windows version will no longer be able to restore it to the previous version. So I am okay with that. If you don't want to delete that, click on no. This will start the process. It will take about 30 to 40 minutes. I am fast forwarding this. Local disk C is the place where all your system files are installed. So before deleting any files, check that it's important or not. Finally, the cleanup is done. Next, go to Tools, click on Optimize, and again click on Optimize. This will start a defragmentation process on your local disk C, which helps you to clean the space between the disk. You can also schedule this by clicking on Change Settings. You can see options to schedule this to daily, weekly, and monthly. I have set this to daily. This process will take a long time, so I'll stop this here. Next, we need to change the performance settings. So again, open up your file manager, right click on My PC and click on Properties. This will open up the control panel window. Here, click on Advanced System Settings and click on Settings. By selecting Adjust for Best Appearance, it will improve your appearance. Or if you select Adjust for Best Performance, then it will boost your performance, but the appearance becomes worse. So click on Custom and select according to your needs. Now close all the tabs and open up Settings and click on Gaming. Turn this off. Only use it when you want to. And click on Gaming Mode. Turn this off. Next, go to Privacy and deselect all the settings and go to Location. Scroll down and turn off the apps which don't require location permission. I choose to turn off all. Now go back and click on Apps and delete all the apps which you don't use. And be careful when deleting system apps. And next, click on Startup and turn off the applications which you don't want to start at the login time. Once all settings are done, restart your PC. You will observe the boost in your system's performance. If you think the video is informative, give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.